Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Kamal Chilaka, a travel and fine art photographer based out of Chennai, India. I have a small unboxing for you today. I did a review of this lens a few weeks back and made a comparison with another lens. I finally decided on getting this particular lens, which I'm going to unbox today. And I'm happy to announce that finally, after a couple of weeks of waiting for this lens, the lens arrived. And so without any further delay, ta-da! Okay, so this is the lens, the 24-105. If you haven't seen my video comparing this lens, the Lumix 24-105S, the kit lens, with the 24-70S Pro Leica certified lens. I'll add a link here so you can go on and check out that video. So I compared these two lenses and decided that this lens is more versatile and what I need for an all-purpose lens to shoot some video, as well as a single easy to travel with lens, compared to the 24-70 f2.8. And I placed an order for this a few weeks back. It's here finally, and so I'm going to unbox this for you. So let's get on with it. I love unboxings. I don't know about you. 20 years of buying gear, I never get bored of it, because I find every bit of gear that I buy, I really research before I buy. I really research as much as possible and only buy gear which I feel would help me take my photography to the next level or in a different direction. Here we have it. What do we have here? And here we have the lens. Let me get rid of these boxes. Here we have the lens itself, but before we have a closer look at that, let's see what else is there in the box. Just another small box here. I wonder what that is for. I think I need to access it from the other side. Let's flip that over. Nicely built box. Comes with good protection for the lens. Let's see what else is there in the box. Probably a lens hood. Yep, I'm right. You have a lens hood for the 24-105. Plastic lens hood, but then the lens itself is a plastic composite construction except for the glass. I showed that in detail in the previous video. Do check that out. 77mm filter, thread diameter, f4 lens. Can't wait to shoot with this lens. Let me put the lens hood on. Yeah, it goes on with a nice satisfying click, and feels fairly rigid even though it's a plastic lens hood. And in the box, I don't know if they still gave these out. This is a lens pouch, and a fairly large one at that. Wow, that's huge. I think this lens would disappear inside the lens pouch. Oh, I think this lens pouch is made for the, I think they have a common size for all the lenses, because I think this would even take in the 7200 f4. But nice quality lens pouch. Free stuff is always welcome, right? Thank you, Panasonic. Let's keep that away. There you have it, folks, the 24 f/105. More interesting than the unboxing itself is the camera and lens combination I'm actually shooting this video with. I'm happy to announce that I'm actually shooting this with the 50mm SL Summicron lens from Leica, mounted on my Leica SL2. I don't know if you can spot the difference in quality. I'm shooting at 4K mode in the Leica SL2 with a fresh battery. The reason I have this lens with me is Leica India sent this lens over for me to test the video and battery performance of the Leica SL2, because I've been having a few problems shooting video at 4K and higher resolutions, and also high-speed burst mode when the battery level drops to below 50%, and sometimes even when it drops below 75%. Using the MC21 adapter and also using the Panasonic lenses. So I wrote to Leica New Delhi and the store where I purchased my Leica SL2 from, and explained to them that there is an issue with the video. And I just went online after that and realized that there are quite a few other photographers who have come across this situation as well, and it seems to be common across all Leica SL2 bodies. 4K, 5K, and also high-speed burst shooting modes that seem to be restricted. So we get a warning from the camera, and it just doesn't allow us to shoot when the battery falls below a certain level. So I wrote to Leica New Delhi, and I think they've checked with Leica Singapore as well, and the response I got was that the power draw from non-Leica lenses could be higher than Leica lenses, and therefore once the battery level falls below a certain level, and usually somewhere between 75-50%, below 50%, the camera will not allow you to shoot 4K or high resolution modes, and which is very disappointing for me, because MC21 adapter being made by Sigma and Panasonic S lenses all being part of the L-mount alliance. These lenses and cameras are supposed to work well together and work seamlessly, and not really create this kind of restrictions, because the Leica SL2 has amazing video features, and to be restricted from really utilizing those video features, except for maybe 10 to 15 minutes of shooting on a freshly charged battery, I think it's a wasted opportunity at best. Honestly, I think Leica should, and I heard that Leica is working on a solution. The temporary fix for this problem is to either use the battery grip, which allows you to shoot with two batteries and improves the performance and allows you to continue to shoot for longer periods of time, or to plug in a USB charger, charge the camera while you're shooting using the USB-C port. So because this the Leica SL2 allows for USB-C charging while shooting. And the third solution is to use only Leica lenses, which allows you to shoot for longer periods, and that's what I'm testing it for. I still don't know whether there's going to be an improvement shooting with the SL lenses, but that's what I'm testing right now, and I will be publishing another video about my results and talk more in detail about this subject. But more, I just wanted you to have a quick look at the quality of the video in 4K shooting with the Leica SL2, and also maybe have a look at its autofocus performance when combined with the SL2 for this kind of talking head videos. So let me know what you thought in the comments below. I will be making a video shortly and detail out the results of my testing the Leica SL2 for video using the MC21 adapter, using Panasonic lenses, and using the Leica SL 50mm Summicron lens as well. So till then, cheers, have a great day, bye bye.